Hi there folks, today is Saturday the 7th of September 2019 and long may this summer last. It's another lovely day. Well, we thought it'd be a good idea to ride along the coast again, only this time travelling in the opposite direction, towards Dartmouth. You will get a totally different view of this beautiful coastline, especially as Anne is wearing the camera this time. So we will have some side saddle views, which as a rider you're unable to capture. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned that this road is the A379. Naturally, we're on board my Burgman 650, which is such a comfortable ride for me and my partner in crime. We love getting out and about, and I know we would be very comfortable taking longer rides, but at the moment we're just content to do the shorter trips. But we do have plans for longer rides, and I'm interested in the amazing Can-Am Spyders, which are great for touring, especially the RT Limited. So as we ride through Torcross again, we're able to get a better view of the Sherman Tank, which I mentioned on the previous coastal ride. Now, I did mention Slapton previously, and this is to our left. It's separated from Start Bay by a shingle beach known as Slapton Sands, and it's the largest natural freshwater lake in southwest England. It's 1.5 miles long and has two sections, the lower and the higher Lee. The Lee is fed by streams and the small river Gara, which flows into the higher Lee. This site is a national nature reserve and of special scientific interest, also a geological conservation review site. The nature reserve covers over 490 acres. This stretch of road with the nature reserve and beach on both sides reminds me of John and Miriams' travel vlog, titled Sunset Spyder Ride to Back Bay, where you have the Atlantic Ocean to your left and Back Bay to your right. You should take a look at this on YouTube. I'll add a link below. The road coming up to our left leads to the village of Slapton, which, along with the villages of Torcross, Stokenham, Street, Chillington, Black Orton, Sherford, East Allington and other small hamlets were evacuated in December 1943 during World War II. 750 families, comprising of about 3,000 people, were asked to leave their homes. 180 farms, livestock, village shops and schools were moved out. 30,000 acres had to be cleared to make way, so that American troops could move in to make camps, defence points and ring the area with guards. Nothing was to be left, apart from empty buildings and churches. This was all necessary to train for the D-Day landings. The families were out of their homes for about 9 months. Exercise Tiger sadly saw the loss of hundreds of American troops on Slapton Sands. There was little known about it because of the secrecy of D-Day. There is a service every year on Remembrance Day alongside the recovered Sherman Tank. Straight ahead of us is Street Gate, and further along is Pilchard Cove, which is a naturist beach. To the right, in the far distance, is Plymouth, where we'll take you another day. Check out this view. It's equally as beautiful as the Amalfi Drive in Italy. Look at this drop, all the way to the beach at the very bottom. It's accessed by a public footpath, but it's a hell of a long haul back up. Here we have another view of Blackpool Sands. It's a very clean, tidy beach. The Venus Cafe is open every day, regardless of the weather, where you can have a nice peaceful breakfast, lazy light lunch, summer sunset dinner, or just coffee and cake with friends. The cafe is also a licensed premises for marriages and civil ceremonies, and even a pint of beer or a glass of wine if you're not driving. There's a few more clouds about today, but it's lovely and warm. Looks like we picked up the number 3 bus to Dartmouth. Now across to our left, in the far distance, is Dartmoor. It's the area we rode back in June. Down to our right you can see the Dartmouth estuary. Hidden behind the trees is the Britannia Royal Naval College, where the Queen met Prince Philip. the Duke of Edinburgh. And here to our left is the main entrance. Prince Charles, Prince Andrew and Prince William have all trained at the college. There are two ferry crossings. This is the higher ferry, which takes you to Brixham and Paignton, and it's a continuation of the A379. And the lower ferry, at the other end of town, takes you over to the village of King's Weir. We'll pull in somewhere along here on the promenade. And here we are at Dartmouth. Thanks for joining us again, and we hope you enjoyed the trip. If so, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Join us again next time. Bye for now.